Hi, I'm Joe Golddaddy.
And I'm Tom Schrader. And we're with KXMC
Weather Channel now.
There's an 80% chance for precipitation.
There's a car, Tom! Get out of the road!
How out?
We better... Okay.
There's a 13% chance that it's already snowing. Tell us about the wind, Joe.
Well, Tom, it is coming at you east, west, north, and south, and it is just blowing like crazy. I don't even know what to do.
Does that mean there's a blizzard warning?
There's a blizzard warning. Everybody get in your house, cancel school, just hide your dog, hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your husband, because the snow's getting everybody out there. Yeah. All right. Back to you, Tom.
We're just encouraging all of you that no travel is advised. Stay in your house and do not travel on these dangerous and treacherous roads.
Remember, 13% chance that it's already snowing.